Spanish needle, a humble wildflower, holds a treasure trove of medicinal potential. Often dismissed as a pesky weed, this plant, scientifically known as Bidens pilosa, boasts a rich history of use in traditional medicine across the globe. Its unassuming appearance belies a potent source of healing compounds, making it a fascinating subject of study for both traditional healers and modern scientists. This video will delve into the captivating world of Spanish needle, exploring its traditional uses, scientifically backed benefits, and its potential to contribute to modern wellness practices. From the bustling marketplaces of Asia to the sun-drenched fields of South America, Spanish needle is known by many names. Each name reflects its deep-rooted presence in diverse cultures and its significance in traditional healing systems. In China, it is referred to as xianfengcao, while in parts of Africa it is known as blackjack. These names are not mere labels, but testaments to the plant's enduring relationship with humanity. The plant's ubiquity and diverse nomenclature hint at its adaptability and resilience, qualities that also translate to its therapeutic properties. As we journey through the world of Spanish needle, we will uncover the fascinating story of this unassuming plant that has quietly served as a source of healing for generations. From ancient remedies to modern research, Spanish needle's story is a testament to the power of nature's medicine chest. Recognizing Spanish needle is the first step in unlocking its many benefits. This annual plant is easily identifiable by its distinctive features. The leaves are oppositely arranged on the stem and have a toothed or serrated margin, resembling a jagged edge. The most striking feature, however, is the flower head. The flowers, typically white or yellow, have a central disc surrounded by 5 to 8 ray florets. These florets often fall off, leaving behind the characteristic needles that give the plant its common name. These needles are actually the plant's fruits, called achenes, which are barbed and easily attached to clothing or fur, aiding in seed dispersal. The plant itself is relatively small, usually growing to about 2 to 3 feet in height. However, its size belies its hardiness. Spanish needle thrives in a variety of habitats, from disturbed soils and roadsides to meadows and forest edges. This adaptability is another testament to its resilience and its ability to thrive in diverse environments. Learning to identify Spanish needle opens up a world of possibilities for natural wellness. Whether you encounter it during a leisurely walk in the park or choose to cultivate it in your backyard, recognizing this humble plant allows you to tap into its vast medicinal potential. The use of Spanish needle in traditional medicine is a testament to its efficacy and versatility. For centuries, various cultures have relied on this plant to address a wide range of health concerns. From the Americas, where it is believed to have originated, to Asia, Africa, and beyond, Spanish needle has earned a place in the pharmacopoeia of traditional healing systems. In traditional Chinese medicine, Spanish needle, known as xianfengcao, is revered for its ability to clear heat and toxins from the body. It is often employed to address conditions such as sore throats, colds, and skin infections. Similarly, in Ayurvedic medicine, Spanish needle is valued for its cooling and detoxifying properties. Across the African continent, various parts of the plant are used to treat a wide array of ailments. The leaves, for instance, are used to make poultices for wounds and burns, while a decoction of the roots is used to alleviate stomach aches and digestive issues. The plant's versatility is evident in its application for both internal and external ailments. These traditional uses, passed down through generations, highlight the long-standing relationship between humans and plants in the pursuit of healing. The empirical knowledge accumulated over centuries provides a valuable foundation for understanding the potential health benefits of Spanish needle. Beyond its general use for common ailments, Spanish needle holds a special place in the traditional treatment of specific conditions. Its ability to address inflammatory conditions, for instance, has been recognized by various cultures. In the Amazon rainforest, indigenous communities have long used Spanish needle to alleviate arthritis pain and reduce inflammation. Similarly, in parts of Africa, a poultice made from the crushed leaves is applied topically to treat rheumatism and other inflammatory conditions. These traditional practices suggest that Spanish needle may possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, a hypothesis that has piqued the interest of modern scientists. Another area where Spanish needle has demonstrated remarkable efficacy is in wound healing. The plant's ability to staunch bleeding, prevent infection, and promote tissue regeneration has been recognized for centuries. In many cultures, the crushed leaves are applied directly to wounds to speed up the healing process. The effectiveness of Spanish needle in wound healing is attributed to its astringent, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties work in synergy to create an optimal environment for wound healing, reducing the risk of infection and promoting rapid tissue repair. While traditional knowledge has long touted the benefits of Spanish needle, modern science is now catching up, with a growing body of research validating its medicinal properties. Scientists are increasingly investigating the plant's chemical constituents to understand the mechanisms behind its therapeutic effects. Studies have revealed that Spanish needle is a rich source of bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, tannins, saponins, and essential oils. These compounds possess a wide range of pharmacological activities, including antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and analgesic properties. One area of research that has garnered significant attention is the plant's potential as an anti-cancer agent. Studies have shown that certain compounds in Spanish needle exhibit cytotoxic activity against cancer cells, inhibiting their growth and proliferation. While more research is needed to fully understand this potential, these initial findings are promising. Further research has also confirmed the plant's effectiveness in wound healing. Studies have demonstrated that extracts of Spanish needle accelerate the healing process, reduce inflammation, and minimize scarring. These findings provide scientific validation for the traditional use of Spanish needle in wound care. The story of Spanish needle is a testament to the enduring power of nature's medicine chest. This unassuming plant, often dismissed as a weed, holds a treasure trove of medicinal potential waiting to be unlocked. As we move towards a future where natural wellness is gaining increasing recognition, Spanish needle stands poised to reclaim its rightful place in our healing practices. The convergence of traditional knowledge and modern scientific research paints a compelling picture of Spanish needle's vast potential. From its ability to combat inflammation and promote wound healing to its potential as an anti-cancer agent, Spanish needle offers a compelling case for the exploration of natural remedies. Incorporating Spanish needle into our lives can be as simple as brewing a cup of tea from its leaves or using it as a topical application for skin conditions. As we rediscover the wisdom of traditional healing practices, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities for natural wellness. The journey of Spanish needle, from ancient remedies to modern research, serves as an inspiration to look beyond the ordinary and recognize the extraordinary healing power of the natural world. To truly appreciate the significance of Spanish needle in traditional medicine, we must embark on a global journey, tracing its use across continents and cultures. From the rainforests of South America to the savannas of Africa and the mountains of Asia, Spanish needle has left its mark on the healing practices of diverse communities. This journey will unveil the deep-rooted connection between humans and plants, highlighting the ingenuity and wisdom of traditional healers in harnessing the power of nature. Our exploration begins in the Americas, where Spanish needle is believed to have originated. Long before the arrival of Europeans, indigenous communities in North, Central, and South America had developed sophisticated systems of herbal medicine, with Spanish needle playing a prominent role. These early healers recognized the plant's potent properties and used it to address a wide range of health concerns, from wounds and infections to digestive issues and respiratory ailments. As we move across the Atlantic, we encounter the rich healing traditions of Africa, where Spanish needle is equally revered. Known by various names, including blackjack and hairy beggar ticks, the plant has been an integral part of African traditional medicine for centuries. From the bustling marketplaces of Marrakesh to the rural villages of Tanzania, healers have relied on Spanish needle to alleviate pain, fight infections, and promote healing. Our journey then takes us to Asia, the world's largest and most populous continent, where traditional medicine is deeply ingrained in the culture. From the ancient practices of Ayurveda in India to the time-honored traditions of traditional Chinese medicine, Spanish needle has earned a place in the vast pharmacopoeia of Asian healing systems. Known for its cooling and detoxifying properties, it is used to address a variety of ailments, from skin conditions to digestive disorders.